Hi, I'm Roses59. Today I'm going to show you how to make a barnwood magnet bottle opener. For this project, I will be using a scrap piece of rough pine wood. And then take 400 grit sandpaper and sand down all the edges. You want to place your template on the back side. And you want to take your center punch and make a hole right in the middle where we're going to drill for the magnet. Your chisel and straighten out the line, because when you drill, the drill bit will always leave those little bumps on the end. And now we can test to make sure that it fits perfectly there. For staining, I've already stained the back, the ends, and the sides. I'm just ready to do the top here. Just using a cheap brush and just applying it on. As you kind of can see, once it soaks in, you want to take your paper towel and wipe off any excess stain that is there. For applying your clear coat, I've already done the ends and the edges as well. Now I'm ready to do my top. And the back I already did as well. For applying the magnet, I've already applied the magnet in and just a washer, because if you use a washer, supposedly it's supposed to help to give it more strength. And now we are ready to pour our epoxy in. I've already mixed up my epoxy. For installing the keyhole hanger, I just used a screwdriver to screw in the 2 screws. For installing the opener, you want to take your front template and line it all up. Then take your hole puncher and line it up and make your marks. Now you want to take the actual opener and line them up. And just install them with a screwdriver. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.